Welcome to the how-to video series by Massey Ferguson. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to unhitch a loader from a Massey Ferguson tractor. Before you begin, ensure you perform this operation on a flat surface to guarantee your safety. This procedure should be carried out with an implement fitted on the loader. Position the tractor in the selected area. Start by lowering the loader to approximately 30 centimeters off the ground by pushing the joystick forward. Step out of the tractor and unfold the first support leg by pulling the pad upwards. Secure it using the locking rod and adjust it so that the foot of the leg is level with the implement. Next, unfold the second support leg and repeat the process. Unlock the first subframe, equipped here with a lock-and-go system. Do the same for the second subframe. Return to the operator's seat and tilt the attached implement slightly forward by pushing the joystick to the right. The rear of the implement should be around 20 centimeters, 8 inches, off the ground when the front touches the ground. Release the parking brake, then push the joystick forward so the front of the implement and the support legs touch the ground. Next, tilt the implement upward by pushing the joystick to the left until it sits flat. At this point, the loader will unhitch from the subframes. Step out again to disconnect the hydraulic couplers. Pull the locking button and lift the handle to disconnect the two connector blocks. Place the multi-coupler on its dedicated holder to prevent damage, then lower the handle to protect the connections. Finally, get back into the cab and slowly reverse the tractor until it is fully clear of the loader. And there you have it, the loader is now unhitched. Now it's your turn to try.